There is a beeping, like a smoke alarm battery sound, coming from the electrical box with the doorbell wires. Is there a battery in that box too, and if so, how do I get it out to replace it? Cannot see one. Thanks.
Hello Ingrid. My name is. I will be happy to assist you with your electrical question. My goal is to exceed your expectations on JustAnswer. 1. Is the beeping sound a constant sound or does it emit the beep intermittently? 2. Do you know the location of the doorbell unit transformer? The transformer is typically located in an attic or basement or near the main electrical panel. See the link shown below. This is a picture of a hardwired doorbell transformer. http://www.homedepot.com/p/Heath Zenith Wired Door Chime Transformer DW125 202,209,267 Are you certain that the doorbell unit is a hardwired model and not a wireless battery-operated model type? 4. Have you checked any nearby smoke and/or carbon monoxide alarms, as many of these also contain a battery? If a smoke or CO alarm battery is low, the units will emit a chirping sound which is a warning of a low battery.
Intermittent and not happening this morning. Not the smoke alarms. Football transformer on the wall but away from the door. Yes, wires connected to a little box. Will this beeping happen again? What to do? Old house. With renovations, but this box looks old.
Thank you for the replies, Ingrid. 1. Since ruling out the smoke alarms and the doorbell unit is hardwired, you most likely have an intermittent stuck contact either inside a doorbell button or inside the actual doorbell module. Since the doorbell unit is an older model, the problem could be a faulty doorbell unit, but somewhat doubtful. Majority of the time, these problems are caused by an intermittent contact on the actual doorbell button. Loose wire connection or corrosion on the doorbell button contacts. I suggest locating the branch circuit breaker in your electrical panel that turns the doorbell module off and perform a visual inspection of the doorbell buttons to determine if any internal corrosion or a stuck contact. A faulty doorbell button is typically the problem on most hardwired doorbell systems. 2. If the button contacts all look okay, then either an internal problem within the doorbell module or possibly a low voltage issue with the transformer. The transformer output voltage can be confirmed using a voltmeter. 3. Most likely, the problem will reoccur over time until the cause can be determined and corrected. Hope this helps. If you have any additional questions, let me know and I'll be glad to answer them for you. Otherwise, don't forget to rate me before you log off. The next time you have an electrical question, you can also request for me at http://www.justanswer.com/home-improvement/expert your electrician. Thanks. Kevin. Hello again, Ingrid. Thank you for the excellent service rating. Much appreciated. If you have any other questions, just let me know. Take care and have a great day. Thanks. Kevin.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.